I've been staring at a biological flaw, a forced pause in our human hardware. Imagine your body doesn't have a shutdown sequence. What if you didn't just use your time? What if you were forced to stay awake for every single hour of your life? The short answer is you wouldn't be a superhuman. You'd be running an engine trapped in the red zone, and you would probably break down by year 2. Let's overthink the math. You spend roughly 8 hours a day in sleep mode. Over an average life, that is exactly 26 years of doing absolutely nothing, paralyzed in the dark. If you stayed awake, you would gain over 220,000 extra hours. You aren't just living anymore. You are a 24/7 production facility. You could learn 10 languages, build an empire, and still have time left over. But here is the real problem: biology. Running a brain makes toxic waste. A normal mind uses sleep to flush out bad chemicals, like cleaning the filters of a busy factory. But skipping this daily wash, the toxins would build up so fast that your neurons would literally choke. You wouldn't just be tired, you'd be hallucinating by day 4. But let's say science fixes the biology. Now you face the economy problem. Most people go home to rest, but you have no excuse to stop. When you try to leave the office, your boss knows you have nowhere to sleep. You'd be expected to work 20-hour shifts. The whole world would turn into one endless, noisy day. And that's the real curse, the loss of escape. Dreams are only possible because reality stops. When life gets too hard, the darkness of sleep gives us a safe place. It becomes a shield, not a prison. But for you, a stressful Tuesday never ends. The noise is always playing. The pressure is always fresh. You see, our need to sleep isn't a flaw. It's a masterpiece of biological defense. We sleep so we can heal. We sleep so we can be free. I think I'll stick to my dark, quiet room. At least my brain gets to escape the real world for a few hours. This is Overthought.